Well, I'm swimming in a sea of technology here, trying to figure out how to create videos, reels, add sound, do a lot of various technical producing of how I work. So it's a big learning curve, and it does take time away from actually doing the work. But as you can see here, I'm starting to make a little progress, and hope it all comes together. But I'm what I've just done tonight is merge two separate videos of my beginning mark making process, so you can see how I start the process of my work. But I thought I would create a whole painting like this. I mean, a whole reel doing splicing of various moments that I take here in videos. But I think what I'm going to do is just three videos or four videos of each of my work processes. So it'll be the beginning of my mark making, the middle, and then bringing it to finish. So that's one, two, three. And I think that's enough to convey what I'm doing. But once again, this is all trial and error. I'm practicing, I'm learning, I'm kind of drifting in and out of all this video technology, but it's a lot of fun. There's a lot of apps, and once I figure out even what the app is I'm using, I'm just furiously going around the internet, finding answers, asking questions, trying apps, deleting apps. But it's a process that has to be learned, and it helps get your stuff out there. So I'll let you go, and you all can watch the rest of this, and hopefully you'll start seeing more videos as I figure these out better. I'm definitely no movie director.